Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about Klinefelter syndrome. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So Klinefelter syndrome is a genetic condition that results when a boy is born with an extra copy of the X chromosome. That means they have 2 X chromosomes and 1 Y chromosome and 44 autosomes as usual. And this syndrome affects only males. The total number of chromosomes present is 47 instead of the normal 46 chromosomes. So we normal people have 46 chromosomes in each cell. They have 47. So what are the causes of Klinefelter syndrome? The major risk factor is the age of the mother. Mostly it happens in the mother having age more than 35. And the occurrence of Klinefelter syndrome is 1:1000 live births. That means if 1000 babies are born, one may have this syndrome. The unwanted additional sex chromosome is a result of a random error in the formation of sperm or egg. So this we will understand in a moment. Now Klinefelter syndrome is caused due to abnormal cell division. At the time of gamete formation, generally what happens? So during the first or second anaphase of meiotic division, the chromosome pair separate so that each cell gets 1 copy of each chromosome, right? Okay. In Klinefelter syndrome, the X chromosomes are not able to separate. And that leads to cells with an unequal number of X chromosomes. In that case, one daughter cell receives 1 less X chromosome and other cell receives 1 extra X chromosome. And this phenomena is called non-disjunction. So actually, I have already explained how does this occur in Down syndrome. And same mechanism I am not going to repeat here. So if you wish to know these phenomena, or you can say how non-disjunction occurs, so if you want to know that in detail, please check the previous lecture. We will see this interesting figure. So here we have a normal egg that contains 1 X chromosome. And here we have the sperm, and this sperm is containing Y chromosome, a normal Y chromosome. When this sperm fuses with this egg, a zygote forms. And this zygote is absolutely normal since it has 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome. So it will be a male baby. Now here in the second case, this is the egg that is normal, that has 1 X chromosome. And this sperm is fusing this X chromosome. But this sperm is abnormal. Why? Since it has 1 X chromosome along with the Y chromosome. So this is abnormal. And the zygote which is formed after the fusion is abnormal. It contains 2 X chromosomes and 1 Y chromosome instead of 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. So this zygote will form Klinefelter syndrome. And in this third case also we can see that this is the egg that is abnormal here. This egg contains 2 X chromosomes and the sperm that is fusing this egg is normal. It contains 1 Y chromosome. When the fusion occurs, the zygote forms which is abnormal, which contains 2 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome instead of 1 X and 1 Y chromosome, and it will cause Klinefelter syndrome. Let's see some symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome. So feminine development you can see in these males. They have development of breast. The condition is called gynecomastia. They have wide hips just like females. They have small testicles and small penis. They have low sperm count, low sex drive, weak bones, and decreased facial and body hair, and ultimately they will be sterile. So what are the diagnoses of Klinefelter syndrome? So Klinefelter syndrome can be diagnosed before or after birth. So it can be diagnosed during pregnancy by the amniocentesis technique. After birth, blood and hormone samples can reveal abnormal hormone levels that are a sign of Klinefelter syndrome. They will have lower testosterone level, right? And karyotype analysis is another way to diagnose this syndrome, which ensures the number of chromosomes. So you can do karyotyping also to check how many chromosomes are there in the person. Let's see some treatment of Klinefelter syndrome. So actually there are no drugs available to treat this syndrome, but there are some other ways. Like psychological counseling is available. Counseling is very much required for those males. And hormonal replacement therapy is there, so testosterone could be injected from outside. Fertility treatment is also there, but they can't be further. Removal of excess breast tissue you can do, and support and education is very important for them. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. If you want to get the PDF notes of this topic, please check the first pinned comment or the description box. Thank you.